I have connected a mouse and keyboard wirelessly to my Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's see how to connect a mouse and keyboard wirelessly to the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. First, turn on the mouse to pair it with the tab. The mouse is now in pairing mode. Now turn on the keyboard. Long press the F1 key on the keyboard to enter pairing mode. Now turn on Bluetooth on your tab. The mouse and keyboard device are now visible on the tab. If the mouse and keyboard device are not visible on the tab, you need to reset it. Now connect the mouse. The mouse is now connected to the tab. Now connect the keyboard. The keyboard is now connected to the tab. Now you can use your mouse and keyboard on the tab. This is how you can connect a mouse and keyboard wirelessly to the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite.